Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for the best camera phones in 2025. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the top 5 camera phones that are redefining mobile photography this year. Stick around till the end, because our number 1 pick is a game changer. Let's get started. And, of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Starting off at number 5, we have the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Known for its revolutionary 1-inch sensor, this phone takes low-light photography to the next level. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night or intimate indoor moments, the Find X7 Ultra delivers stunning clarity. Plus, its AI-enhanced portrait mode ensures your selfies are always on point. Step into the future of mobile technology with the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Designed for those who demand the extraordinary, this cutting-edge smartphone combines sleek aesthetics with unparalleled performance. Immerse yourself in a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display with ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering breathtaking clarity, vibrant colors, and flawless responsiveness. Its ultra-slim, premium ceramic body feels luxurious in hand, while the curved edges ensure a seamless viewing experience. Experience lightning-fast performance with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring you breeze through multitasking, gaming, and more. With 512 GB storage, you'll have space for all your memories, apps, and files without compromise. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the 50MP triple camera system, featuring advanced AI for professional-grade photos, day or night. Elevate your selfies with the 32MP front camera, powered by innovative beauty modes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with the 5,000 mAh battery, offering all-day power. The SuperVOOC 120W fast charging gets you back to 100% in just 20 minutes. Experience immersive sound with stereo Dolby Atmos speakers. Stay secure with an in-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition. Whether you're a power user, content creator, or gaming enthusiast, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is your ultimate companion. Reimagine possibilities. Choose innovation. Choose Oppo. Coming in at number 4, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. This phone features an industry-leading 200x zoom, making it perfect for capturing distant details with incredible precision. Its advanced cinematic mode brings professional-level videography to your pocket. The Pura 70 Ultra is a beast for anyone looking to blend creativity with cutting-edge technology. Discover the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, a smartphone designed to elevate your digital experience with its sleek design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features. It's the perfect companion for those who value style and functionality. Enjoy a vivid and immersive experience on the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, featuring ultra-slim bezels and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and crystal-clear visuals. The lightweight, ergonomic design with a matte finish ensures a premium feel and effortless handling. Equipped with the Kirin 9000S chipset and 12 GB of RAM, the Pura 70 Ultra delivers seamless multitasking, smooth gaming, and fast app launches. Store more of what you love with 256 GB expandable storage for all your photos, videos, and apps. The 64MP AI quad camera system ensures professional quality photos with every click, while the ultra-wide lens captures breathtaking landscapes and group shots. Night photography has never been better with advanced low-light capabilities and a 32MP front camera for stunning selfies. Stay powered all day with the 4,700 mAh battery, designed for long-lasting performance. Get back in action faster with 66W Huawei Supercharge for quick top-ups on the go. Stay connected with 5G capabilities and enhanced Wi-Fi performance. Explore new levels of convenience with Harmony OS, offering fluid navigation, multi-device collaboration, and robust security features. Whether for work, play, or capturing unforgettable memories, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is built to keep up with your fast-paced life. Step up your smartphone game today. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's flagship model packs a 200MP primary camera, ensuring razor-sharp detail in every shot. The dual telephoto lenses allow for seamless zoom transitions, while the HDR10 Plus video recording makes your videos look cinema-ready. Unleash the power of innovation with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a flagship designed to redefine your expectations of performance, photography, and productivity. Capture life in its finest detail with the 200MP camera that ensures crystal-clear photos and videos. Nightography technology lets you take stunning low-light shots with ease. A versatile zoom lens brings distant subjects closer, offering unmatched flexibility in capturing the perfect moment. Experience true-to-life visuals on the 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals for gaming, streaming, and creative tasks. The edge-to-edge design delivers an immersive and premium viewing experience. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, enjoy blazing fast speeds for multitasking, gaming, and app navigation. With 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the S24 Ultra ensures you have space and speed for everything you need. Boost your workflow with the S Pen stylus, perfect for taking notes, sketching, and navigating with precision. Note Assist offers smart features for organizing your ideas and staying productive on the go. Stay connected with cutting-edge 5G technology, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C for fast data transfers and real-time sharing. Stream effortlessly, enjoy real-time translations, and stay ahead with unmatched connectivity options. Runs on Android 14 with the intuitive One UI 6.1, providing a user-friendly and customizable interface. Unlocked for all carriers, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra combines power, beauty, and intelligence to create a smartphone that fits every aspect of your life. Whether you're a creator, professional, or tech enthusiast, this device is designed to exceed your expectations. Our runner-up is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google continues to dominate in computational photography, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is no exception. Its upgraded Tensor 3 chip powers real-time photo editing and the best night mode we've seen on any smartphone. And for content creators, the 8K video recording and built-in editing tools are a dream come true. Introducing the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, a smartphone that redefines excellence with cutting-edge technology, AI-powered photography, and a sleek, durable design. Elevate your photos with the revolutionary Gemini-powered AI camera system, ensuring stunning clarity and lifelike details in every shot. The triple rear camera system excels in diverse lighting conditions, delivering exceptional results from wide-angle to telephoto shots. Equipped with the powerful Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro XL brings unparalleled speed, performance, and AI capabilities to your fingertips. With 16 GB of RAM, effortlessly multitask, game, and run demanding applications. Enjoy a cinematic experience on the 6.8-inch Super AXUA display, featuring a vibrant, high-resolution screen with a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. Stay powered throughout the day with a battery that lasts up to 24 hours, ensuring you remain connected and productive. Intelligent battery optimization extends usage time, even during heavy usage. Stay connected anywhere with 5G technology, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, delivering fast data speeds and seamless device pairing. The satin matte finish and iconic dual-finish camera bar add a touch of sophistication. Built to last with water and drop resistance, this phone is ready for whatever life throws your way. Powered by Android 14, enjoy an intuitive and customizable user interface, enhanced by Google's AI features and seamless integration with all your favorite apps. Unlocked for all carriers, giving you the freedom to choose your network. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is more than a smartphone. It's your gateway to the future of AI, photography, and premium design. Upgrade today and experience the ultimate Google innovation. And finally, taking the top spot, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has outdone itself this year with the all-new Photonic Engine 2.0. Its triple-lens setup now includes a 48MP periscope lens, enabling 10x optical zoom with stunning results. Experience the pinnacle of design and innovation with the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, a flagship smartphone crafted to elevate every aspect of your digital life. The 6.9-inch OLED display with a high resolution delivers unparalleled clarity, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience, perfect for videos, gaming, and browsing. Encased in a premium desert titanium finish, this sleek and durable design offers elegance and resilience in every detail. Powered by Apple's latest cutting-edge processor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers lightning-fast speeds for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. With 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have ample space to store your photos, videos, apps, and more without compromise. Capture every moment with the 8MP high-resolution camera, featuring advanced imaging technology for stunningly sharp photos and vivid videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. 5G, ready for blazing fast downloads, seamless streaming, and real-time connectivity. Features the new USB Type-C connector, offering faster charging and data transfer while ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Professionally refurbished and inspected by Amazon-qualified suppliers, this device ensures reliable performance, a pristine appearance, and a second life for technology. Fully unlocked for all carriers, giving you the flexibility to choose the network that best suits your needs. Whether you're upgrading to the latest in Apple technology or seeking a reliable, high-performance device, the iPhone 16 Pro Max combines premium features, sleek design, and unmatched versatility. What really sets it apart is its seamless integration with apps like Final Cut Pro Mobile, making it the ultimate tool for pro photographers and videographers. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is the gold standard in mobile photography. So there you have it, the best camera phones of 2025. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.